Passion overcomes all odds, and this rings true for Fiji's first marine biologist, Dr. Sangeeta Mangubai. The love for the environment kept her pushing forward in a male-dominated field, and despite numerous hurdles, Dr. Mangubai never gave up. Jeshulal with tonight's success story.
The journey has not been smooth sailing, but the various challenges helped Dr. Mangubai become a successful marine biologist.
Yeah, so there wasn't as many the variety of courses available, and because at the time I had Australian citizen by then, so I decided to do it in Australia.
Dr. Mangubai says she finished her studies overseas, which was another challenge.
So I actually moved to Africa and I did all my research out there. But it was, again, very, very challenging, and in some of these places they're very male-dominated and where they don't expect women to be in that field.
The 47-year-old says the passion to protect the environment ignited at a young age when she accompanied her aunts on fishing trips. She adds her dream came true when she was offered a holiday job.
I dropped by one of the very few NGOs that were around, the Worldwide Fund for Nature, and I turned up on their doorstep, and very young and naive, and I asked them, what do I need to do to work for an international NGO like yourself? And the director at the time said, well, actually I have a job right now for you. And so on holiday I got offered this position and I ended up moving back to Fiji.
The marine biologist is urging youth to take a lead role in protecting the environment.
So to the youth, I really think this is a time that the youth need to speak up. I think, we really are a planet in the midst of a crisis, not just in the midst of a pandemic, but we're also in the midst of a climate change crisis.
Dr. Mangubai also has a message for the women.
I think that's really important, finding someone who inspires you. I also think you have to not let the stereotypes about marine biologists stop you, or if someone says, oh, you're too small, or you're not a strong swimmer, don't let that stop you.
As a top marine ecologist for 18 years, Dr. Mangubai says the contribution of women to the society is immeasurable and is urging them to grab every opportunity that comes for a successful career path. Jeshulal, FBC News.